Okay, so we got a question from Danielle, and she says, I'm updating my blog and getting an error message when I publish a post first. Currently sitemaps are not auto updated. Click here to update. Yeah, that's normal. So like with any pages or anything that you create, even funnel pages, you need to just, it's your content, so you need to just make sure that the sitemap is up to date. So you need to just hit that recreate sitemap for that to happen. So if I just jump into my site, I can just show you what you're kind of getting. Okay, let's just go into the site and into blogs. I think I've set a couple up here. I'll just make a clone of this one. So by default, because I've made a new one of this, it may be a clone, but it's a new and basically a new blog post. Okay, so if I then go and hit publish the post, what I'm going to get is this: currently sitemaps are not auto updated, please click here to update. So that's fine, that's just a message telling you need to do that. And we've put a handy little button in here to be able to update. So if I click this, it's going to go straight to my sitemap page, which is here, and all I need to do then is to jump into the sitemap tab and then recreate this. So I'm going to click this, and what will happen is it will actually create this page. Now this appears to be wrong, but actually it's correct. In XML files or these sitemaps that are generated do not contain any style information, so they're not bold, they're not bigger text, they're just purely, this whole bit here is basically to tell search engines, oh, you've added a new link on your page, or you've added a new, and you'll see down there, that's the last one I added, and you'll see that that is that copy of that blog, so it actually updates that. Now if I didn't update that, this wouldn't exist, and when search engines look through this document, they'll say, oh, I can't find that, and so they won't index it. Okay, or they might index it, but they might not if they're looking at your sitemap. All right, so that's why it generates. Now once this page opens, you can basically close it because it's absolutely fine. If you click it again, it's going to do exactly the same thing. It'll just open up and it saved it. What you do need to do is, just when you do recreate a sitemap, just make sure that your URL that you just submitted, whether it be a funnel, whether it be a page, whether it be a blog, make sure that's in there so you know that it's worked. But that is actually fine, and it's a normal working behavior of the system as we have it at the moment. We're going to do it so that things do auto create sitemaps, but that's going to be coming out later. So hopefully, Danielle, that has answered your question.